Good morning. What's going on, Don?
And we're heading down to Hilton Head, South Carolina.
Hilton Head, South Carolina.
So, I think by the looks of the navionics, I think we're looking at about 70 miles, 80 miles, something like that. So, we'll go down
Through
there.
the Intercoastal.
On the ICW.
Yeah. Off we go, guys. A beautiful morning. The river is calm after Hurricane Helene. We are a little bit late. The sun has risen.
Finish the birds.
How's it going?
Going good. Going really good. We veered off from the navionic track a little bit, and that was great. Saved a bunch of time.
Channel markers were there.
The markers are all there, all lined up. Yeah, now we're looking at about another 3 hours before we hit Hilton Head. So, yeah, it's been a good trip. It's a good day.
Woo-hoo! I just passed this bridge. I'm gonna go and put the bumpers down, get the ropes ready for the fuel up. Is this it? Okay. So we're just in Beaufort Marina, the public marina, and we're fueling up. Once we're fueled up, we'll keep on going south. We're in Beaufort, South Carolina at the safe harbor, and you can see further down all the boats that are on shore due to the storm that just passed.
Three sailboats, there's a trawler.
Trawler up there.
That was almost on the grass berm.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4. There's a little one 5.
Yeah.
She told us, she goes, there's some in bad people's backyards.
That's insane.
Crazy.
So sad. Alright, off we go, southbound.
Just walking around. We're in Hilton Head, South Carolina. We just seen about a 4-foot water snake floating around.
Off the dock. No! Out! Ugh. Gross.
Morning, guys. Early morning fire up. Just about to take off from Hilton Head. We're going to do quite a big ocean run today. We're going to head down to St Augustine, Florida. We'll take you along this morning. I'll give you a little show here of what's going on this morning. So yeah, beautiful morning. Just fired everything up. That's what we're doing today. Sun Good jaunt. Rollers on, got everything going. Traffic's on. We got 2 full tanks of fuel. Lots of oil pressure. And that's good. Charlie's just out walking. Sam?
Alright, just leaving Hilton Head, South Carolina. And that's where we stayed last night, just on the fuel dock. It's fine because it was a late afternoon arrival, early morning, as you can tell, departure. So just a place to put our head down and we're heading out. Beautiful sunrise. So we're just heading out to sea. We should be in St Augustine, Florida, like later on this afternoon. I'm thinking around 5, maybe between 3 and 5. How's that? There you go. And this is Hilton Head.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How we doing?
Not awake. A bit of anxiety heading to the ocean. I'm sure it's going to be a good day, though. It looks like it's going to be okay.
It looks like 2 to 2.4 foot swells, 5.7 seconds apart. Maybe 9-mile-an-hour winds up to 12. So it is going to be a beautiful day. It's going to be a great trip, and we'll get down to St. Augustine and check that out for a bit.
I think the weather's lying. Just, I want this on record.
Abort! Abort!
I say they're going to be 5-footers. And yeah. Good morning, dolphins.
It's always a good sign when the dolphins guide you in the morning.
Yeah, morning greetings. There it is, guys. Ocean entry.
Look ahead, look astern, look the weather in the lee. Blow high, blow low, and so we'll sail we. I see a wreck to windward and a lofty ship to thee, a sailing down along the coast of High Barbary. Then hail her, O captain, he called o'er the side. Blow high, blow low, and so we'll sail we. Oh, are you a pirate or a man of war, he cried, a sailing down along the coast of High Barbary.
So, our beautiful day.
It's a shitty day. He lied. The weather lied again. We're soaking wet. We're getting bounced around.
Yeah,
So yeah.
it's not as what they said. Anyway, we're gonna grab an inlet and we'll just do a slow putt, but yeah.
Until at last the frigate shot the pirates' master we were sailing down along the coast of High Barbary. With cutlass and gun, no, we fought for hours 3. Blow high, blow low, and so we'll sail we. Their ship it was, their coffin, and their grave it was the sea, a sailing down along the coast of High Barbary.
It's just too choppy to try to make those kind of hours, right? So we don't want to bang the boat up, and well, you can see. So anyway, we're gonna jump back in the ICW, and then we'll just have to slow down. But it was said 1 to 3 footers, and we got 4s with the occasional 6. So
Land. I want land. Yeah, a little rocky this morning. We're going slow, actually. We're not even pushing it. We're getting soaked. Woo! Another shower.
good morning.
They say salt water is good for you. Just saying. Oh, I see a red marker. Is that a good sign? Yay! Red marker means inlet. Woo! Woohoo!
Blow high, blow low, and so we'll sail away. I see a wreck to windward would and a lofty ship to thee, a sailing down along the coast of High Barber.
I know we say we want to live fully, but sometimes it's just too full.
Captain, he called o'er the side.
What inlet is this?
What inlet? I have no idea. It's the get the heck out of the sea inlet. What inlet is it?
I don't know.
It is. It's called Get the Heck Out of the Sea
that what it's
Inlet.
called?
Yeah. After you see land. Land. Yeah, oh yeah, baby. We know where we are, yeah. We're in Florida. We crossed the full state of Georgia today, actually by boat. We were in southern South Carolina this morning. So yeah,
A long day. We still got a couple more hours to go.
yeah, it's been a long day. I'm actually really tired today. So, but yeah, pretty cool.
Our original plan was to go into the ocean, and we did that. Unfortunately, the winds were not in our favor, so we ended up bailing after 2 hours being out there. It was just too hard on the boat. It wouldn't have been a pleasurable 8 hours or 9 hours, so we took the ICW, but the whole state of Georgia, you can just clip right along. So it's been great. Not a whole lot to see.
No, a lot of sandbanks, but still, it's still very scenic.
Yeah.
But yeah, no wake zone or anything for the most part, so it was pretty good. See how close to the shore we are. What's the depth?
almost at 12 hours now. Left
Yeah.
up at
Long
6,
day.
7, 3/4 of a tank of fuel, so 300 gallons. Getting very tired. I don't sit down when I drive. I stand up so I can watch for shit, especially after the hurricane.
Yeah. Watch for debris. So, just after that bridge over there is where we're gonna put our heads down.
Now get a pizza. We're gonna eat. Then I'm going to bed.
Take a shower.
Oh yeah, I'm stinking.
Brown.
This boat is covered in salt and soot and shit.
Yeah.
We're scrubbing tomorrow.
Tomorrow we scrub the boat and fuel up. And we see what happens. The sun is going down. We got this. Woohoo! St. Augustine, Florida. We made it. We just tied up just before sunset. It's been a long day, honestly. It's like 12 hours or so. From South Carolina, went through Georgia, and ended up in St. Augustine. It looks like a really cool town, and yeah, we're gonna get some rest though. I'm pretty tired. Good night, guys.